Hi, and welcome to a new change that we recently made for a pavement repair. So if everyone goes into your pavement repair, you're going to see a new option here under excavation. When you click in excavation now, and let's say we have 200 square yards and we're going to do an 8-inch repair, you now have the ability to say the depth is going to be, let's say, 7 inches deep. And what type of depth will it be? You can enter your own, or you can choose base asphalt, binder asphalt, stone base. Many people from across the country mention this, and we are going to respond appropriately. So you can put in your own base here and call it um, Ohio ODOT 301 base if you're in Ohio, whatever you want to do. And then you can also now customize it and say your surface inches is going to be 1 inch. Before we always had it 8 and 2. Now we're giving you the control to put in what you want. And the same thing here too. You can pick and say surface asphalt or name your own. If you want to name your own, all you do is click this once and put name here. And then all of it will be written up appropriately. So wanted to let you know that that's set up. And also here, edge sealing of the patches. If you put it yes or no, it'll do the appropriate wording. So wanted to let you know that we broke up the base repair for excavation between base and surface. Thanks and have a great day. Hopefully this helps you out a lot, and keep sending any information you have that would make this easier and better for you. Have a great day.